Hey guys, today we're doing lesson 5.4, mid-segments of triangles, a segment that joins the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is known as the mid-segment of a triangle, where triangle mid-segments theorem says a mid-segment is parallel to the third side of the triangle and is half as long. So there are two things we would know from this. The first thing would be that DE is parallel to AB. And the second thing we would know is that half of AB is equal to DE. Okay? Or you could even say AB is equal to 2DE. Both would work. Okay? So, let's talk about this first one and some practice here. Name the midsegments and sides that are parallel in triangle triangle DEF. Okay, so we would know that RS is parallel to DF. That's this guy here. We would know RT is parallel to EF. And then the last one we would know is ST is parallel to ED. There you go. Okay. So now if we know that DE, this whole thing here, is 24, and RS, this one, is 9, and EF, that one, 16, find the perimeter of the two triangles. Okay, so let's just start filling this in. Remember, it's always half. Half of 24 is going to give us ST, so that's 12. Half of 16 is going to give us RT, so that's 8. And then 9 doubled tells us this one is 18. So now we can find the perimeter. Perimeter of triangle DEF is 58 units, and perimeter of triangle RST is 29 units. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so use the picture on the right to find different angle measures. Okay, angle EFD, so this guy right here, will be corresponding to ESR, so this is 73 degrees. EDF, so this one will equal that one, or this one, which is 36 degrees. And then DEF, now that we have a triangle, we can do the triangle angle sum theorem. Add it together, subtract from 180, so we get 71 degrees. Okay, not too bad. Go ahead and pause here and do these next three on your own. 5x plus 20 equals 2 times 20. 5x plus 20 equals 40. 5x equals 20, x equals 4. 17 is equal to 2 times x minus 4. You can always use the half of 17 equals x minus 4, but then you're dealing with a decimal, and that's just annoying. So totally up to you, but I prefer multiplying by 2 rather than cutting in half. 17 equals 2x minus 8. 25 equals 2x, x equals 12.5. Okay. Got 2y equals 2x plus 1. So we can't solve that yet. So then let's go to the other one. 2x equals 3x minus 6. X equals 6. Now that we have that, we can plug it in. So 2y equals 12 plus 1. 2y equals 13. Y equals 6.5. There we go. Okay. Pretty short lesson. So go ahead and do your homework. Have a great day.